Hi, I'm Matt with MaxTow Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what's included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today I'm going to walk you through what's included in our MaxTow Match fuel rail pressure gauge for 4th gen Ram trucks. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm fuel rail pressure gauge with analog and digital factory match display and a dimming button on the front. Also included in the package, we have a 9-foot sensor harness, 5-foot power harness, mounting bracket with hardware, gauge visor for sun glare, and installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at maxtow.com.